Good morning. In this video, we are going to do another math magic trick, and the number is going to be, my favorite number is going to be 39,996. So what happens that I will ask 4 of my students to give a number, and I will respond to each number, and when I add all the 8 numbers together, it will give me 39,996. So let's go. So suppose the first student decide to put a number, and I will tell them that the number cannot be repeated. Means each of the number have to be different. Okay. So this is to avoid any pattern. So the first student will come up and they put a number, for example, 3,729. Then I will ask the second student to come up, and they come up with another number. Maybe he choose a random number, 4,365. And followed by the third student. The third student may come up with 7,269. And the fourth student will come up with 3,125. So what I'll do is that I'm going to respond to each student. So for example, the first student is 3729. I'm going to respond with 6,270. And then the second student, I'm going to respond with 5,634. And the third student, I'm going to respond with 2,730. And the last student, I'm going to respond with 6,874. Okay, so I asked the student to add all these numbers, their numbers and my numbers, and it will always end up with 39,996, and they will be super impressed because I can able to calculate very, very quickly. So what's the trick? If you look at student 1 and my response 1, okay, they will add up this number. 3 plus 6 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9. So they add up to 9,999, which is 10,000 minus 1. Similarly, 2 plus 2 is also 9,999. Say 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, and this is also 10,000 minus 1. So will be 3 plus 3 is going to be 9,999, which is 10,000 minus 1, and so is 4 plus 4, which is going to be 9,999, which is again 10,000 minus 1. So the actual calculation is that it's going to be 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, which is 40,000 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and that will give you 39,996. So this is a cool trick. So you can do it in class, and you can impress your friend and see how good your calculation is. Cheers everyone, and see you soon.